بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So one of the main limitation, as I said, with the default reference bandwidth is initially when they started, probably this is very good with slower links. Like even if your bandwidth is up to 100 Mbps, this is really good. The cost values, it can extract up to 100 Mbps. But when your link speed goes above 100 Mbps, then basically there is no differentiation. So which means if I'm connecting two links, one is 100 Mbps link and the other link is, let's say, 10 gig link. So basically in terms of calculation, it is going to consider these two links as the same speed or same cost. So that was one of the limitations. So any interface with 100 Mbps or faster will be calculated with a cost value of 1. Okay, so basically it's going to round up all these calculations to the least cost of 1 for all 100 Mbps or above to that. So that's what, okay, so which is really not right, especially when you're deciding the best routes, because when you're having 100 Mbps link or when you are having 10 gig or 100 gig links, so you don't want them to be considered as the same cost. So in that scenarios, you probably prefer the older options,